productivity should only be measured by that end unit, not by how many of the components you're managing to make or the cost per unit of those components. So it's not what you start, but what you finish, which is very much a theory of constraints argument. And then again, when you're producing these for assembly later, all the storage that's taken up, all the time it takes to move things from warehouse 1 to warehouse 2 and assembly areas, all takes time and effort. Now, this was recognized very early by the gurus of in Japan, right? And they were taught by Edwards Deming and
Seward and
Homer Saracen that went over, and that So the switch came when they said, okay, let's not focus on trying to reduce the setup times or the changeover times, because work on getting maximum number of units produced with a specific setup, which was the old mentality. Instead, let's turn it on its head and reduce the changeover time. Let's focus on reducing changeover time, so it doesn't matter how many times we have to change over, because we've got it down to a fine art. And that was, I believe, Shigeo Shingo's main contribution in perfecting the single minute exchange of dies technique for the automotive factory, in saying now we can make much smaller batches. We can make one at a time, so to speak, because we can just change over as quickly as we want. And I thought that was now understood, right? I thought after 56 years, at least since 1970, people would have got it, right? But no, we still want to avoid the changeover because the changeovers are taking too long.
And real quick, you mentioned inventory, and that's one of my favorite things, because and I'll take your qualification of kind of when something is good a little bit further, and it's when it hits the dock to go out the door. And the reason I'll kind of make it a bit more strict is because when you get in that batch and queue mindset, again, you're going to produce to put in an inventory. It's going to go in 30-foot racks with an access point for your internet that hangs down 5 feet below the racks, so that when your scan guns are dropping every other transaction, so that you lose the inventory anyway.
Oh my God!
So you produce, I mean, this is something that happens.
So inventory management, the waste of inventory management is not easy, and unless you have really good inventory management, things just get lost.
Yeah, we produced 10 million, we lost 5 million, and sold 2 million. Okay, there's 3 million still missing somehow from that, but
yeah.